domestic violence complaints. Husband NCR filed on 30th September, followed by his FIR on 1st October. After 15 days of his FIR, wife files 498A. After 1 year of his FIR, wife files domestic violence complaint. All counter cases filed by them. Roshma, kindly see their averments in page number 6, paragraph number 2. Third line, respondent number 2, actuated by malice and an oblique motive to gain leverage in collateral proceeding dispute arising out of their marriage, lodged the frivolous impugned complaint. Lordship, 30th September, there was no collateral proceeding.
Investigation while filing the charge sheet, this appears to have been ignored by the investigating officer. Even otherwise, it is contradictory in terms of the wound certificate. Therefore, what should prevail is what is required to be answered. Now, at the time of passing of this interim order, I took your lordships through the petition papers to demonstrate as to how, prima facie, there is no offences that are made out. The offences alleged in this particular matter are section 115, 126, 351 and 352. Now, insofar as this particular observation in the interim order is concerned, my respectful submission is there is no conflict at all between the MLC and the wound certificate. Prior to making that submission, my endeavor would be to show to your lordships. If your lordships were to please see the impugned complaint at page 40, the allegation is that I hit them on their head. Now, if your lordships were to please see the wound certificate for a moment. Wound certificate is at page 74. Now, the observation over there is abrasion over the right arm. Now, this clearly goes to show that the offences are not made out. Now, at this point,
the wife has hit the husband.
No, their allegation in the complaint is that the wife's father, that is one of the other petitioners, he was the one who purportedly hit the complainant, de facto complainant. Now, my respectful submission is, first of all, the offences are not made out. Secondly, there is no conflict between the MLC and the wound certificate. In fact, if your lordships were to now take up their statement of objections which they have filed, in which they annex the MLC at page number 9. Now, the only supposed factual difference between these two documents is this. Now, in the wound certificate, what is stated is abrasion over right arm. Now, if your lordships were to please take up their statement of objections at page 9, what is stated is sustained injury on the left arm. So therefore, which arm is the question.
That's a matter of evidence.
Now, my respectful submission is this. Your lordships are aware in service jurisprudence, the doctrine of useless formality. Now,
bringing in useless formality theory.
Yes. Now, in fact, I'll just produce these judgments.
Useless formality. I'm aware. Leave it.
Anyway, there are some other judgments.
There are two of Justice Arijit Prasad. Yes.
Yes. And there are some other judgments I want to
No problem. Yes, tell me.
In fact, during the course of my submissions, I'll just produce this. Now, even if I were to assume that
you can't bring in useless formality theory to criminal proceedings.
My respectful submission is, even if I take this at face value,
even if you tell me, no problem. Don't bring in useless formality theory.
The useless formality to the extent that even if I were to take this at face value,
that is, see, you bring your facts within the contours of Bhajan Lal.
Yes.
If you bring in useless formality theory, that is not the scope of criminal jurisprudence at all.
I understand.
Yes.
My first submission is they have obtained stay by false submissions that the husband has filed a counter complaint. Lordship, may kindly see page number 13 of my objection.
Yes.
Page number 13.
Yes.
That is the NCR filed by husband on 30th September 2024. This is the NCR after he was assaulted by wife, father-in-law, and
husband was assaulted by
wife, father-in-law, and brother-in-law. Lordship, may kindly see page number 3 of their petition. Serial number 14. 1st October 2024, respondent number 2 files impugned complaint.
Why did they assault you?
I'm coming to that. Husband files complaint on 1st October 1st October, FIR followed by his complaint. Kindly see page number 4, that is serial number 15. 15th October 2024, respondent wife files complaint against. This is wife filed complaint against the family members 498A on 15th October 2024. Page number 5, 23 serial number their petition. Petitioner number 2, that is wife files domestic violence complaints. Husband NCR filed on 30th September, followed by his FIR on 1st October. After 15 days of his FIR, wife files 498A. After 1 year of his FIR, wife files domestic violence complaint. All counter cases filed by them. Lordship, kindly see their averments in page number 6, paragraph number 2. Third line, respondent number 2 actuated by malice and an oblique motive to gain leverage in collateral proceeding dispute arising out of their marriage lodged the frivolous impugned complaint. Lordship, 30th September, there was no collateral proceeding. Kindly see page number 28.
Of what?
Their petition, page number 28.
Hmm.
34 paragraph. The impugned complaint and all proceedings order arising therefrom are also liable to be quashed since they are nothing but counterblast filed by respondent number 2. There is no counterblast, Lordship. False averments.
So only blast.
These are false averments.
Only blast.
On the
no
strength
counter
of these false averments, they have obtained stay.
All right.
My second submission, Lordship. MLC exactly confirms with the complaint. Kindly see the complaint in page number 42 of their petition. Page number 42. I'll read out. Incident date, this is typed copy. 28 September 2024, my father-in-law has beaten me with bamboo stick on head, and somehow I managed to save my head and got hit on my arm and shoulder. I'll pause here and I'll go to my MLC now. Kindly see my MLC in page number 9 of my objections. Says sustained injury to left arm by bamboo stick, left in pain in left arm, bleeding, abrasion in left arm, and on the right hand side it says X-ray for right arm. Target was his head. He raised both the arms. He defensively raised both the arms.
Why did they want to beat you?
I'll come to that.
You're not first come to that.
Lordship, first I'm just whatever they have obtained stay, Lordship.
That's okay. I'm hearing the matter finally.
Lordship, the complaint and this MLC exactly it completely relates. There's bleeding in left arm, abrasion in left arm, abrasion in right arm. So there is no contradiction between the complaint and MLC. What is in fact, husband has called Hoysala police helpline. Hoysala was assigned. Kindly see page number 12 of my objections. This is a message received from police helpline number. Hoysala was assigned. Police came. They rescued him. They advised immediate. They advised him to take immediate medical treatment. MLC was registered, and in fact, this MLC was sent to the IO also. Lordship, I kindly see page number 12
It's
of
not
my
a part of the
objection.
charge sheet. Otherwise,
Lordship, this
MLC was sent. It is not a part of the charge.
it is not a part of charge sheet. Why this MLC is not part of charge sheet? Why a counter case was filed on husband that is best known to the petitioners and the IO? I do not get into that. Lordship, my third submission is head was a target. Head was a target. He raised both the hands defensively. Otherwise, he would have sustained
All right.
fatal head injury.
Next.
He would have said 307, 324 made out, but the charge sheet is filed in the 323, Lordship. It's not 324. It is filed in the 323. My last submission, eyewitness statement. Lordship, can see eyewitness
Who is
statement.
the eyewitness?
Eyewitness are the
Independent.
not the neighbors. They are the
He's an independent.
Independent eyewitness.
independent eyewitness. And Lordship, eyewitness 89. I'll just read out page number 89.
They are apartment supervisors.
They were
Apartment
the
supervisors.
supervisors who were present at the time of incidents. Page,
So don't read.
Page
It's all
number
right.
89.
They are independent
ninth
eyewitnesses.
line.
They are independent eyewitnesses.
They are
Yes.
independent
All right,
eyewitness.
fine.
All the offences are made out. They have clearly.
All right.
But Lordship, may kindly record my submission. Independent eyewitness statements are suppressed. They clearly stated
All right,
about
next.
bamboo stick, assault, bleeding, which is not recorded in their statement.
Next
Kindly record.
next submission. Yes.
Lordship,
Ashana.